guys, if you're new, welcome to Beauty Mag's channel. My name is Roche. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified every time I make a new upload. So in today's video, what we are going to talk about is this product from Careline. This is full face palette Play to Slay. So this is the eye makeup and face makeup that I did with this palette. If you want to know my thoughts about this palette, then please keep on watching. Okay, so right out of the bags, this is what you get. This is a plastic container, okay, and the price for this is 275 pesos. Okay, as you can see, it's already used. So my thoughts about it. Application, I have a hard time with playing with it, okay. The matte colors, all of these matte colors, the browns, the reds, even the blush, I have no problems with it. I feel that the pigmentation is right there. I think this is the only transition color that they put into this palette. The rest are like crease color and like outer color or deepen your crease. 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4, okay. So it's going to be on your crease, your transition and your crease color, and the rest it's going to be your lid color right here, all the shimmery parts. And the only color that I haven't used is this part right here, the orange one. White or off-white color is good for like init kay guys, wait if you have a eye primer and you are using a concealer to set it, you can use it. The color payoff, it's fine. The transition color, I use this. I like it. It's not pigmented, it's good. So you need to use a big fluffy brush. Blending is fine. It's not muddy, it's not like that. Blending is easy to do, okay, as long as you have the right tool, okay. And crease color right here, all the browns, I have no problem with it. Blending is fine. From what I did was I used the red first to get that opaqueness or the color boom in your eyelid. So I did that first and it was fine. It was fine, and I don't have problem with like layering the color. Blending, no problem. Pigmentation, it does fade though the more you blend, of course. I'm not so sure if this would stain on the eyes, but I believe it's not, because this is not like boom back red color, no. So now the shimmery part, I really have a problem with it, okay. I really dig into the palette. My first thought about creating this makeup was a spot halo cut crease, okay, because of thinking that these shimmery shades can transfer with my tools or my brushes. When I was trying to pick up the color from my brushes, that's the time I had a problem with it. It's good when you do your swatches with your fingers. Here it transfers, it's very nice on the hand. For the halo cut crease part, like the center, the spotlight, like that technique, it doesn't work, okay. I tried to use my synthetic brush from MAC, the 242, which is really good for packing all those shimmery glittery shadows. It doesn't work, okay. I tried to use the natural brush, okay. It did pick up, but it doesn't have the boom shyness to it, so it lack the luster of the shimmer, which I intended to do, okay. So fallout, yes, there's a lot of fallout with the shimmery one, okay. It is more crunchy. It's quite messy on my floor right now, just like what I saw from other YouTubers. They did mention that, oh, the fallout is crazy, and I said, nah, maybe they're just bluffing about the fallout. But now it's like, what? The fallout is like chunky, guys, chunky. It's not like fallout, you know, like a powder fallout, but this one is chunky, like, oh, you can see it from my video on how you will see in my video. The blushes, it is very subtle it's flattering on my skin, so it's good. The only downside with this palette is that it doesn't have a contour. I thought it was a full face. The best that you can get is probably this one right here, but since it's in a tiny pan or tiny size, how can you get your contour brush or your bronzer brush where you have to use a little bit bigger brushes for that? And with this small little size right here, I don't think it's gonna be doable for you to do that. So I try to use my Too Faced bronzer, so I use that to contour and bronze my face. Okay, so I can get that dimension for the contour on my nose area. So I did use this and it does work. Okay, color is fine. It's flattering for my skin. It's not too red, it's not too brown, so it's just in between, so it's fine. This one right here, like, ooh, nice, right? Highlight, subtle, but if you want to really dig into it, I think you can really get more. But with my textured skin, I don't want to do that, so just a little bit of glow to my skin, and I'm happy with that kind of effect. So would I recommend this? Even if I would just eliminate all the four shimmery ones, and the matte colors would remain in the palette, and with the with the blush and the highlight, for $2.75, I think it's fine. I wish the glitter shadows or the satin shadow is more boom, right? Or your brush can really pick up nicely. I wish this color is more doable, easy to work with. This could be a better palette. Look at my Too Faced. Of course, this is high-end, right? You can never see a chunkiness in this palette. Of course, this is high-end. It's different. With my eye look today, I wish I could done it better and more boom, but I wasn't able to achieve what I wanted to achieve. So I just work around what I can get, what I can work on with this palette. Okay, so would I recommend for a beginner? Yes, just use the matte color and use your hand. For a spotlight hollow cut crease, avoid that. Just go straight to half cut crease, you'll be fine. And use your finger to use the shimmery shade, okay, so it can transfer to the eyes. Otherwise, using a synthetic brush, a natural brush, you cannot get the right pigmentation, just what you see in the palette right here. These are my thoughts about this Careline full face palette Play to Slay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye! Nagagandahan na ba kayo? Ay, naku, ang init guys! Ang init-init!